Instagram's founder just slammed AI chatbots like ChatGPT for chasing likes over real value. Is engagement killing meaningful answers? GadInsider is diving into Kevin Systrom's spicy take, and trust me, you're gonna want to hear this. What's good, GadInsider crew? Instagram founder Kevin Systrom is calling out AI companies for prioritizing engagement over delivering actual insights. From ChatGPT's overly chatty vibes to social media tactics, he's got a point. We're breaking down his bold critique and what it means for AI's future. Let's get into it. Kevin Systrom didn't hold back. He says AI chatbots like ChatGPT are designed to hook users with endless follow-up questions instead of giving straight, valuable answers. He said, "You can see some of these companies going down the rabbit hole that all the consumer companies have gone down in trying to juice engagement." Ouch. He's saying AI's copying social media's playbook, keeping you clicking, not thinking. Systrom says this focus on engagement isn't a glitch, it's intentional. AI firms built chatbots to boost metrics like daily active users, just like Instagram or TikTok chase likes and views. He argues this distracts from delivering high-quality, meaningful insights. Ex-users are echoing this, pointing out how ChatGPT's polite, drawn-out responses feel more about keeping you hooked than solving your query. Systrom's comments come as ChatGPT faces heat for being too courteous, dodging direct answers. OpenAI's admitted this stems from short-term user feedback, pushing chatty vibes over clarity. X-posts are buzzing with examples, users asking simple questions and getting walls of text. Systrom's warning AI firms to ditch these easy metrics and focus on real value is striking a chord from across the tech world. What's the big picture? Systrom's pushing AI companies to rethink their game. Instead of mimicking social media's engagement traps, they should deliver answers that actually help, fast and clear. And this could pressure giants like OpenAI to tweak their models or inspire new AI startups to prioritize insight over interaction. Why is this a big deal? Systrom's calling out a flaw in AI that hits close to home. Engagement over value is what makes social media addictive, and now AI's falling into the same trap. If chatbots keep chasing metrics, we might lose the real power of AI. But if they listen to Systrom, we could see smarter, more useful bots in 2025. This is a wake-up call for the AI world. If you're fired up about this AI debate, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more tech updates.